We're rap hunters!
Hey, it's a boy, Ghost! Johnny! Jazzy! Yeah! Easy! Yo!
Hey, yo, man. We're up here, huh?
We are here to rap, but we don't have mics, and we are here to rap for our freestyle.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Let's go! Yeah! Despite what you heard, what you saw, when you look at me, man, you see hardcore. A real sweet hood nigga. Wish a nigga.
Hood nigga.
I don't give a damn what you think about it all. If you think I'm crazy,
That's right.
You think I'm lazy,
Damn right.
Cause it don't really matter what you think about me,
So
nigga.
fuck you, baby.
Fuck Manu!
Fuck off,
you,
nigga. Black Cannon!
Simba born boy struggle! Yo, what kind of gospel tale it is?
It's come on, man.
Let's
Let's
go.
support, buddy.
Robin Black got it in God's eyes.
Lala, तुम नहीं आ रहे हो?
Black God, steady stress and spent and rest and karma blessing classes in session. The worst question is the first question. Why do we work like slaves? Sweat and place to an early grave. Never got paid, but still we stay in the night trench. Answer that, then answer this too. Love's gonna get you, you know.